Hey everyone, I had quite a few questions after posting my tablescapes video on how to make the candy cane place card holders. So I'm going to do a quick how-to for you right now. To make one of them, you're going to need 3 candy canes. I got this box of 22 at our dollar store, so our Dollarama, for $2.75. So this would make 7 stands, provided they're all intact. If any of them are broken, you can't really use them. It's really easy to do. You're also going to need some ribbon. This is just it's a 1-inch velvet ribbon, and you're going to need your hot glue gun. I will link the link to this glue gun down below in the description because a lot of people have asked where I got it. It's definitely a couple of years old and has seen its fair share of use, as you can tell. If anybody knows how to clean this glue gunk off, let me know. So, you need to take 2 of your candy canes, and you're just going to use, first you want to position them so that they're angled. Kind of like this. They're going to turn out from each other to make feet. They look kind of like elf shoes pointing out if the elf's toes were separated, if that makes sense. And where they connect at the back, I'm just going to put a dab of glue onto the plastic. And we're just going to connect them like so. And we don't have to worry about the glue showing through. That's what the ribbon is for. So then you're going to let these dry a little bit. This is where it takes a little bit of time because you want to hold them in place so that the glue dries. But I'm going to go ahead and just do the next step because I already made one in advance. So on the back, right where that glue mark was, I'm going to run another line of glue a bit longer. And I'm just going to take it and connect it to my third candy cane, which is going to go straight in the back of the 2 feet. So you see, if I look at it this way, I've got my 2 feet, which is where my place card will sit. And then back here, I've got the stand. And I'm just going to let that dry. I did make one in advance for you guys. Magic television, as they say. And what I want to do is I want to hide where that glue is. So I'm just going to take my ribbon. I'm going to measure. This goes around pretty much perfectly. So what I'm going to do is just take, again, my hot glue, like so, and just attach it. Sorry if I keep going out of frame. And there you have it. You have a place card holder. You can go ahead and put something in there, either a person's name, or if you're doing like a potluck, you can put with the dishes in there. And you just stick it in just like that. If you have any questions, just ask down below. I'm always looking to make sure that I'm answering you guys as soon as I see your messages. I look forward to showing you a few more tutorials this season, and there's a lot more planned already for next season. So happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and I'll talk to you guys soon.